Hey, good morning, everybody. Danny Shay. Thank you all for joining us on Sheila's channel. Anyway, I wanted to get on and just read on some of your questions that we didn't get to. But I also wanted to say thank you for joining us on Friday. All right, the card that I pulled last night. Shaman cards, many paths, and to me this is don't be so concerned about taking the right path, that there are many paths, and sometimes we get stuck in analysis paralysis and we don't even move forward. So just go on a path, take it. It's going to end up in the same place. So you can take, as long as you keep your intention clear as to where you want to go, who you want to be, what kind of person you want to be, just get on a path and start walking if you're feeling lost or confused. So, thank you for that information. All right, so let's dig into some of these questions. And this is going to be kind of fast. I will put it on. I will put a timestamp on it. So let's just see what we can get. I hope I can, I'm recording this on my iPad, so I hope it's not going to take too long for me to shuffle in between. I don't want to edit too much. Jared and the sham company fueling funds into the Trump family. What's going on with this company that is taking these funds? What's going on with that? Huh. Yikes. Okay. The way that I see this is this company is trying to bring money, or not this company, but these funds that are coming in are supposedly meant to bring happiness and sunshine. And I think it's they're taking the money from Trump's re-election, or his legal fund. Help turn the vote, and so people are going, yeah, let's do it. It's loss. It's all about loss. Some of these people too that are giving money, they don't have the money to give, and so it feels to me like the Trump org is taking money from people that really don't have it. At the base of the reading is the devil. And it could be the addiction to keeping America great again. And it's just, this addiction is just fear. And we did talk about it last night a little bit, that the fear of letting go and going into a new place is crazy. It's so powerful. I did a Sunday with Spirit, and I did You're Doing It Right, You're Doing It Wrong. Those were my two titles. The title that said You're Doing It Right got a lot less views than the one you're doing it wrong. Oh my God, I'm scared. I'm doing it wrong. What am I doing wrong? And it's that fear-based thing. I mean, I fall for it. Behind it is the celebration. Yay, we're good. Everything's good. Don't worry. Let's take this money. Let's run with it. This card is my false celebration card. There are rogue waves. When you play on the beach and you're not watching the ocean, there's a good chance you're going to get smacked around. Smacked around, big news. This is the almost the Hammer of Thor card. It's taking that wand of news and it's creating big sparks. And they've got judgment in the near future. So, yes, I do think that Jared's company that he created is going to be causing them some legal troubles. I think they're taking money from poor people, all under the pretense of let's keep America great. I'm going to read into the Pentagon not meeting with Biden anymore, why Trump, Russia planning something, Russian hack. I'm going to kind of blend all those in together. Someone asked, is Russia, the security breach, was that to hide some of the information that Russia and Trump, that their communications, their plans, their whatever? That's going to be a separate question. I'm going to ask that right now. This Russian hack, was it trying to cover up deeds made by Trump in Russia? Is Russian hack trying to cover up their tracks? Moving on to calmer waters, being crossed by the Ten of Cups. This is a balance. This card to me is, this card to me is feeling like it's almost a lover's card. You have two people up here balancing each other out. I'm saying yes from these two cards here. I'm getting a really strong yes. We have the Ace of Wands at the base. We have the Queen of Swords in the past as it relates. In the near future, the Moon. And at the top of the reading is Temperance. So the question was, this Russian hack, were they trying to cover some things up? They know Trump is leaving, moving on to calmer waters. They're trying to balance things out. You can't really see these people in there. So it's kind of hidden a little bit. This is really hidden. And again, more with balance. So to me, it feels like they don't want this Queen of Swords energy coming at them. So all their past deeds that they did would end up under investigation. And they want that hidden. Good question. Thank you. That was a good one. So let's just look into that Russian hack again, though. Was there anything else that we need to know about this security breach? Is there anything else that we need to know about this security breach. I got her again. Queen of Swords. Oops, there we go. Queen of Swords. Six of Wands. Queen of Wands. Death. Seven of Coins. And the Emperor. This hack, what I'm reading from this card, so what do we need to know? Anything else we need to know? The truth is going to come out. Some people are going to get burned, even though they think they're winning. This is riding into town as a winner card, but look at it. He's being burned up. He's being skewered. He may think he's having a fun time. He's not. At the base of this reading, what do we need to know? Just be calm a little bit. Stay in our zone. Don't get all crazy with this information that may or may not come out. It feels almost like we're not going to get this information, although this card says wait for the facts to me. This card is moving on. It's the end. It's the I keep doing this. I'm sorry. This card is moving on from darkness to light. But there's a lot more darkness in this as we move forward. So this again is the cover-up of the information. And it's got something to do with money. And of course, Russia. What else do we need to know? So I'm hearing with this is if you have financial things online, everything's online. But if you have, bank accounts, if you have portfolios, stock portfolios, double check your passwords. Put just make them as secure as you can. Okay, that's just what I heard there. All right. Pentagon meeting. Why did they stop the Pentagon meetings? It's because of the hack. That's what I just heard. Trump stopped the Pentagon briefings, and it's because, number one, they don't know what they're doing. They don't have the right people in place. And our security is at risk. Let's just pull 3 cards on it. Now I'm gonna pull 6 real quick. What is going on with them stopping the department? Pentagon information. Wow. Okay. Kind of what I just said. So we have the 4 of Wands. We have a playing on the beach, little celebration. Nobody's looking at the ocean. They should be looking at the ocean. Nobody's looking at it. We have the Fountain card, the Infinity card. There's a thin white line here that is true. 4 of Cups, loss. Also an offer being made. The 2 of Wands, a choice, and it involves the world. We have the Devil at the top, and we have the 8 of Swords feeling restricted. So that's the Biden team feeling restricted. The devil at the top, as it oversees this, is it's Trump that's saying, don't do this. Let's just pull a clarification on this Eight of Swords. This restriction, will they get to the truth? Will the Biden team get to the truth before the inauguration? Will the Biden team get to the truth before the inauguration? These all upside down? No, but they all are upside down here. So no, they're not going to get to everything. They're going to see the Two of Cups. They're going to see the relationship with Russia. It's going to be sad news. It's not going to be uplifting and comforting. And they are going to need to take some legal action on it to get to the truth. Yikes. Oh, can this be over? Can this be over? All right. Let's see what else we got here. We already talked about 45 on Inauguration Day. If he's, if there's going to be violence and stuff, I think we covered that. But let's just see if I can tap into where is Trump going to be? Where is Trump going to be on Inauguration Day? Is he going to be in the White House? Are they going to have to remove him? What is going on? What is going on with Trump on Inauguration Day? Huh. He's moving to calmer waters. I think that's us. Where is he going to be? He's going to be hiding out. There is going to be some battles. So, Inauguration Day, the government's going to be in a better place. Where is Trump going to be? I don't think he's going to be in the White House. I think he's going to be hiding somewhere. And this Page of Cups, Knight of Cups. Let's try to get some clarification on that. Because it seems to me that with both of these cards, this page is looking into a bowl of light. This Knight has that bowl. It's dark though over his head. Talk to me about these Page and Knight of Cups. Talk to me. What does this Page and Knight of Cups mean? Because I don't see Trump looking into a bowl of light. Just saying. And what I'm getting when I'm shuffling with this is that while Biden is that administration is being sworn in, people behind the scenes, the newer administration, the new people in place, are going to be seen just feeling so much lighter, having so much, it's just going to be a really light energy compared to the crap that they've been dealing with. Emotionally, it's just going to be uplifting, but they're going to see all of this, what's been going on for a while. Yeah, look at that. Oh my God. So they're going to see all the darkness that has been going on with this current administration. They're going to have some very tough choices to make. Blind decisions that are very emotional. This Two of Swords, it's always around water, which is emotion. Cups are emotion. And then you have the Nine of Pentacles. She is hearing things from this bird. These cups are representative of information coming out as well. So, are they going to find out about this Nine of Pentacles money? Or are they going to hear things? Let's just look into... when I pull that Nine of Pentacles information, the image that I got with that was that we are going to be okay financially. So I'm going to digress. I'm going to ask my own question. Not your questions, mine. And why can I do that? Because I got the pause button. So are we going to be okay financially when Biden takes office? Are we going to be okay financially when Biden takes office? I know it's a huge general question. Some people will, some people won't, generally. Oof. Ten of Swords. High Priestess. Six of Cups at the base. Going back to the past. Cone of Silence a little bit. Seven of Wands. In the past as it relates. So a lot of battling, a lot of struggle, defending oneself. Ten of Coins at the top. And the Hierophant in the near future. So this is Biden taking office. This is one of my Trump family cards, though. So I want to just get a clarification on this. There's going to be rough times ahead. So just batten down the hatches a little bit. Okay, but going back to a simpler time, defending yourself, in this card, is this Trump or is this we have the reserves that the government will be able to pass out? So that's what I want to see on this Ten of Coins. Talk to me about this Ten of Coins. What does it mean? What does it mean, this Ten of Coins? Is it what Donald Trump has stolen, or is it what the government has to give? High Priestess. High Priestess. The World and Daughter of Wands. Well, obviously, we're not really to know with these two cards, the two High Priestess cards. This financial issue is a world issue, and with the Daughter of Wands, when you look at this is also balance. So we need to come out of this shadow, secretive place, this information. And the government is going to pay a lot of attention to it to pass out this money. But it's a little rough. It is a little rough. The vaccine. All right, is this vaccine safe? 3 cards. Is this vaccine safe? Is this vaccine safe? Well, illusion, delusion. There's going to be a lot of choices that we can take. A lot of different drug companies are going to be coming up. A lot of therapeutics, whatever. We do have one that is going to calm us, that's going to be good. And actually, it's more than one. And it's going to cause us to move on from this place to a better place, the Chariot. This is a major arcana, the 2 minors. So this is major good, moving on from this cloud of what do I do? Where do I go? How do I move around? And this is a new beginning, a new way of looking at things, a new emotional path, listening to our spirit guides, I guess. I mean, for me, that's what I would listen to. Let's dig a little more into it. Are there any things that we need to look out for? To me, this looks like it is safe and it is going to move us forward. This illusion delusion card, though, makes me go, hang on. Anything else? That you can share with us. And I'm just going to cross them a little bit. Mother of Pentacles. I'm looking right at the camera again. My gosh. So asking for a little bit of clarification. We have the 7 of Cups. We have the 7 of Cups. Thank you. In this Chariot going forward, we have the Ace of Pentacles. It's in reverse. So this to me is a bullseye. Like, yes, it's good. It's not going to be 100% good. But here we have the Mother of Pentacles. And this is in this deck, this card is so comforting. To have a mother that is just supporting you and caring for you and knowing that you have everything that you need, that you are comfortable. So I think that there's going to be some people that do have issues with it, but overall, it's good. I'm going to use my Enchanted Map Oracle. Let's see if that can help us out with the vaccine. Talk to us about the vaccine. I hate the term when they say we got to get it into people's arms. That bugs me. Talk to me about this vaccine. What can you share with us about this vaccine? Our strength is upside down. Magic Stream, reverse. Just wanted to make sure that these cards weren't all upside down. And listening. So I get the same answer that I got before. You have to listen to yourself when it comes to this. You know your own body. You know where you are with it. This disease has robbed us of our strength, has turned our magic stream upside down because we're so worried about it. Listen to your inner guides, which is all we can do, right? Personally, for me, I am probably going to take it when it comes available. I'll get to see how other people react to it. Let's go back to why hasn't Trump taken the vaccine? Is there another reason besides, well, he's part of the herd immunity? Oh my God, I can't believe those guys. Moving on. Ace of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. I think he's a big scaredy cat. That's what I'm getting. That's what I'm thinking. He's already moving on past this virus. You know, he's got his new emotional start. He thought about this before. Should I take it? Should I not take it? But in the past, he already had it. Look at that big old sun, that corona. So he's already had it. And here, he's kind of restricted, but he's out in the cold. He's not restricted. He could take it at any time. So to me, it just feels like he's scared to take it. Yikes. What does that mean? Is Trump scared to take this vaccine? Trump scared to take this vaccine. Not yet. Trump scared to take this vaccine. Dang. Yeah. Because he's kind of a germaphobe, isn't he? So I'm thinking he's already had it. He's got the Empress card over the Queen of Cups card, giving birth to something new. At the base of it is loss. Behind it is the Two of Cups. Ten of Swords, walking away from being stabbed in the back. And he's taken so many other cocktails that he doesn't feel the need for it. Talk to me about that card, though. The Five of Pentacles. What is this loss? Some harsh truth coming to him. Walking away. Talk to me about that Ten of Swords. The World. Wish card. And the Ten of Cups upside down. That's him walking away from his presidency. This one is just walking away from the truth. That's what this one is. So, why isn't he taking it? I just think he's scared and he's got too many other drugs in him. Okay. Let's keep going. I know I think I'm getting all these. What will happen at the international courts? Will Biden reinstate that? Yes, he will. And I didn't even know they didn't. But anyway, will Trump, will anything happen to Trump's administration in the international courts? New emotional start. Seven of Wands. Defending yourself. This is not defending. This is kind of like fighting windmills for me. Yikes. Yes. So the courts are going to be reinstated. There is going to be battles. And it's going to cause a tower moment for the current administration. Not Joe Biden's, but a current one. That's it. I want to thank you all again for joining us. I hope I got to all your questions. And that's it. Peace and love. Bye.